Now you will see the transfer of dominant gene. How I can transfer the dominant gene? So initially what we will do? Initially I have taken two parent 1 and parent 2. Now this parent 1 is the donor parent. This parent 2 is the recipient parent. It is the non-recurrent parent, but it is the recurrent parent. So now parent 2 is the high yielding parent. It is our desirable. It is the high yielding parent, but it is not the high yielding parent. But it is leaf rust resistant. Yes or no? Though it is high yielding variety, but it is leaf rust susceptible. Yes or no? So now it is transfer of dominant gene. Dominant gene means the character which is the leaf rust resistance, it is controlled by the dominant gene. So the parent, what will be the genotype? The genotype becomes capital R, capital R. Yes or no? Here the genotype, as it is recessive, it is susceptible, so it will be smaller. So now after crossing these two parents, I will get F1. Yes or no? I will get F1. And the F1 will be genotype is capital R, small r. Okay. So I can say here in F1 it is whether resistant or susceptible. Say ये resistant है because capital R is there, because we are going for the dominant gene, because the character is controlled by dominant gene. So here it will be resistant. Whatever the F1 will be, F1 I will get, so it will be the resistant. Okay. अभी मेरे को बोलिए whether I will go for a resistant test or not. Whether now I will ask question, okay, whether I will go for a resistance test or not. You tell me whether I will go for resistance test here. No. अभी ये हम इस कंडीशन में F1 में हम टेस्ट करके क्या करेंगे? अभी जो भी प्लांट है वो सब रेजिस्टेंट है ना, क्योंकि F1 जो प्लांट है वो सबका जीनोटाइप सेम है, तो सबका जो रेजिस्टेंस है वो सबका सेम है, तो इधर हम टेस्ट करने का कुछ फायदा ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ऑल प्लांट्स आर रेजिस्टेंट टू द लीफ रस्ट, सो नो टेस्ट. सो हियर नो टेस्ट विल बी डन. कुछ टेस्ट नहीं करना है. अभी क्या करना है फिर क्या करना है? तो जो भी F1 आ गया, अभी हम क्या करेंगे? उसको क्रॉस करेंगे. किसके साथ? उसको क्रॉस करेंगे किसके साथ? उसको क्रॉस करेंगे जो रिकरेंट पेरेंट है. कौन? स्मॉलर. अभी क्रॉस करने के बाद क्या होगा? अभी हम क्या मिलेगा मेरे को? अभी मेरे को मिलेगा बैकक्रॉस 1 मिलेगा, क्योंकि I have told backcross means multiplication of the F1 or segregated generations with the only one parent of the F1. So अभी first cross कर रहे हैं. This is the first cross I am doing. So this is backcross 1. So now in backcross 1, what I will get? Now if I will draw a diagram, then I will say this will form gamete capital or smaller. This will form gamete smaller. Then what are the plant? This is the capital or smaller, then capital or smaller, then smaller, then smaller. Okay, yes or no? So I will get capital R smaller and smaller. Yes or no? Now अभी हम देख सकते हैं. अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी हम टेस्ट करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे हम बोलो? क्यों ये प्लांट जो है, ये प्लांट जो हो गया, दिस प्लांट विल बी रेजिस्टेंट बट दिस प्लांट विल बी ससेप्टेबल, यस और नो? यस। तो अभी हम टेस्ट करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे? यस, अभी भी हम क्या करेंगे? टेस्ट करेंगे। नाउ अभी देखो, अभी ऑल प्लांट्स आर रजिस्टर्ड बट इन दिस केस some are registered, some are susceptible. So if I will go for test, so if I will go for test, then what will happen? Now this plant, if I will go for test, then what will happen? Then this plant will die. This plant will die because this is susceptible plant. So whatever we select the plant, we select the resistant plants, but which are similar to which plant? Which are similar to the A plant. Which are similar to the A plant. A plant means I can say here this is the dormant parent. I can say this is parent B, this is parent A, recipient parent, this is the parent A. So here I will select the resistant plant, but the resistant plant should be what? They should be similar to the A. Okay. Now what I will go? Now I will do here. Now I will go for the selfing process. Okay. After back crossing, I will go. Sorry, here I will go again back cross. Then what I will do? Whatever the plant I will get, resistant plant. Now this plant will be back cross with the. So here I can write here like this. So here I can write here. It will be easy to understand. So this will be smaller. Some plant will be capital smaller. They are resistant. They are susceptible. So what will happen? They will die. Okay. So now what will happen? Whatever the resistant plants are there which are similar to the A plant, we will select them and back cross with A. Again we will go for back crossing. Then now we will go for back crossing with the A plant. A plant means smaller. Okay. Again I will get what I will get. Again I will get here. I will get likewise smaller. And another is capital or smaller. And if I will see here, this will die. Now go for test. Again go for test. Then also select the resistant plant which is similar to A. Again go for back cross. Okay. So it will susceptible, it will die. If I will go for testing purpose, then now this will be the back cross 2. Okay. Again go for back cross, smaller. This is parent 2. Okay. Again go for back crossing. Then I will get BC3. So likewise I will go up to BC6. Likewise, I will go up to BC6. So now at BC6, what I will get? Likewise at BC6, I will get smaller and capital R smaller. Again, if I will go for testing purpose, then it will die. Okay. Again, go for test. So susceptible plants will die. Okay. So now what will happen? Now see again I will select the resistant plant which is similar to A. Then now अभी हम क्या करेंगे? अभी देखो मैं बोला था कि हम अगर back cross करते जा रहे हैं, मैं क्या बोला था? If I will do back cross after 6 to 7 generation, what will happen? ना जो भी variety होगा ये similar हो जाए किसके साथ? Parent के साथ ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर हो जाएगा एक्सेप्ट द जेन. सो अभी जो प्लांट आएगा रेजिस्टेंट प्लांट मेरे को मिल रहा है, अभी BC6 में जो रेजिस्टेंट प्लांट मिल रहा है वो किसके साथ सिमिलर होगा? इट इज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर टू द प्लांट A. Yes or no? Because after back crossing repeatedly, what I am getting? The genes of the P2 or genes of the A plant. So in this case, the BC6 at BC6, what I will get? At BC6 I get all the plants, all the resistant plant are similar to plant A, except which gene? Except resistant rost gene. Except the rost resistant gene. वो R जीन, वो R और R को छोड़ के और सब जो जीन हो गया वो किसके साथ सेम हो गया? बस इसी को छोड़ के जो भी अदर जीन है वो इट इज सिमिलर टू द प्लांट A. So now what I will do? Now I will go for selfing. Remember, now I will go for selfing because मुझे R चाहिए, मुझे R नहीं चाहिए. क्यों? Because it will go for segregation. I told her if R will go for R, then it might give R or smaller. So it will be susceptible. So yes or no? So जो भी वेराइटी आएगा इससे susceptible हो गया. तो मुझे अभी क्या करना है? मुझे कैपिटल R चाहिए. अभी अगर मेरा प्लांट कैपिटल होगा तो जो भी उसका जनरेशन आएगा सबका जनरेशन क्या होगा? अभी मेरा प्लांट कैपिटल R है तो उसका जो भी बच्चा आएगा, whatever the progenies will be there, they will be also capital R, and they all will be resistant. But if it will be capital R smaller, then whatever the progeny, there may be chance of susceptibility. That is why we will go for selfing. So if I will go for selfing, then what will happen? Now I will get BC6F2. So here I will get, if I will go for selfing, then what I will get? Now I will go for selfing, and again after selfing, then what will happen? Individual plant progeny will be grown. Now if I will go for selfing, अभी सोचो अभी हम selfing कर रहे हैं तो कितना क्या क्या जीन मिलेगा मेरे को? कैपिटल R मिलेगा. So I will get capital R smaller, I will get smaller. So likewise, three genotypes will be found. So now in the B6 back cross 6 and this is H are selfing, this is second, this is F1. So after selfing this will get F2. So after selfing what I will get? So after selfing I will get this type. So what will happen? Now whatever the plants at BC6, now I will do? I will harvest. Here remember, I will harvest separately and then go for individual plant progeny. So now BC6 F2 I will go for individual plant progeny growth. Likewise, I have already told I need what I need. I need capital R. I need this one. So again I will go for selfing. So now it will be. So I will select the plant. Who are resistant, and already they are similar to A. Yes or no? But I will select the plant who are resistant. So this will be selected. Capital R smaller will be selected, but this will be rejected because this is susceptible. So likewise I will select the plants and also I will harvest separately. Again I will go for harvest separately and then individual plant progeny go. Again in BC6 F3 I will go for individual plant progeny. So now what will happen at this case? I have already got the homozygous condition. In BC6 F3, now I got the homozygous condition. There will be no segregating generation, so go for bulk harvest. So in BC6 F3, I will go for bulk harvest, and then I will go for preliminary hill trial as I told. Then I will go for preliminary hill trial. Then I will go for multi-location hill trial. Then I will go for seed multiplication process. So this is the thing. Okay. If I will see the year, what is the time required to this to do these things? What is the time? What is the time I require? So if I will write the time, then this will be the first year. Cross, this is the first year. Then F1, this is the second year. This is third year. This one, no? BC1, this is third year, yes. Then this is fourth year, likewise. Then this is the 8th year. This is the 9th year. This is the 10th year. Then preliminary trial, I have told 1 year it will take. Then 11th year. Multi-location trial, 3 years will be taken. Then 12, then 13, then 14th year. Again in 15th year, I will go for the seed multiplication process. Okay. So this is a simple thing. How I can transfer that. So whatever the result, whatever the variety I will get, it will similar to a plant, and it contains RR gene, homozygous gene. Selfing, as we are moving for the selfing. So whatever the variety I will get, now the variety A containing, whatever the variety I will get here, the variety A containing capital R gene, which is the resistant gene. So it is a highly varied. Now A become highly varied and leaf rust resistant. The variety become highly varied as the whatever the variety is similar to A gene, similar to parent A, except the capital R gene. So it became highly varied as well as leaf rust resistant. So to transfer the dominant gene, now I will get the what? Now I will take 15 years. What is the time? The time is almost, I am taking 15 years to transfer the dominant gene. So in the next class I will see the transfer of recessive gene. So thank you. It is a very easy subject. You just remember up to 6 I will go for backcross, then go for 2 selfing, then go for preliminary trial, then multiplication trial. So this is very easy. Okay, thank you.